Hey guys, welcome to our channel RV44. It's gonna be an easy video, guys. Pretty much like the title said, we're gonna be unboxing the GoPro 8 Black. And what's so special about this, I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube already unboxing this camera, but it's come with a lot of stuff. It's a special bundle. I went everywhere to look for it. I'm gonna leave the link below, guys. I found them on Amazon, very good price too, and they just have a lot of stuff. Let's go ahead and open the box right quick to see what we have. I shouldn't go that deep with a knife. It's just everything is right there. So I already see like Christmas. Look at this, guys. Everything is in the box. It's a bunch of accessories. Like I say, I'm gonna leave the links down below. You can beat this. Like, it's a lot of stuff that come with this camera. I'm gonna take it one by one. It's my first GoPro. Honestly, I never ordered it before. I guess that's the case. This is the stuff for the water. It's everything. It brings, like I say, it's gonna take forever to describe everything that comes in the box, but it's a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna leave the link down below. I guess that's for the, you download your pictures to your computer. It's a lot of stuff. Look at this. I feel like those taco boxes from Taco Bell. I have also this, which is important. Look at all this. Look at all these accessories, guys. And like I said, for the price, we got one more thing. I believe. Let you read it. Okay. And this is the manual. I guess of explaining all the stuff that came in the box. We also just got the camera, which I'm sure I never owned a GoPro. Well, we never owned a GoPro, guys, and to me this is pretty cool. It's such a small camera, but I heard so many great things about it, so many good reviews, and there's a reason why we bought it. We used the iPhone XR, pretty good phone. The thing was, there was a lot of underwater action that we did when we were at the Keys, and we needed a camera that can resist the water, and there was something that, you know, we can just put it on the card or put it in ourselves. But because I was so afraid to swim with this and just, you know, be able to like lose my phone, I don't think what I would do with myself. But yeah, this is how the camera comes. And like I say, I've seen so many reviews about it. I just want to talk about this bundle, which I'm gonna leave the description below, like I say. This is something you put on your, I guess on your chest. It goes just like that. This is for just a holster or a holder. I guess you put it here first and then you put it whether in the car or in the bike. But it's so many things. I don't believe, I mean it seems like a lot at first, but still it's a lot of stuff. Anyway, so see, like everything. The main reason why I got it was because of this. This is the piece that goes, you can hold it to go on the water, and it's also a floater. So if it goes on the water, it floats like that. You have this, so you can put it around your waist. We have the tripod.
Your wrist.
Huh?
Your wrist.
We got the tripod, which is also, it's pretty cool. I already have one for my other camera. Actually, the one that I'm using right now. It's just so many things. Like, Ericka's in the camera, by the way. Say hi to Ericka. It's just so many things. Like, it will take me forever to explain everything. Like I said, I'm gonna leave.
Hi guys.
I'm gonna leave everything.
By the way, this is Joaquin's birthday gift. So make sure that you say happy birthday to him.
Thank you very much. Bing! But anyway, so yeah, I never owned a GoPro. Like I said, I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna go ahead and do the opening. So we gotta go and open this. I'm so excited. I never owned a GoPro. And it's just pretty cool. So this is how it looks. You know, honestly, I'm very surprised. It's very small. And I know I've seen them when people have them, but it's pretty small. Got a little screen back here. It's pretty small, honestly. I thought it was gonna be a little bigger, but I guess, we never pay attention to the size. What are you telling me?
No, you can open it from the back.
Oh, to the thing, yeah. So, you can tell I'm new at this, right? She's telling me like, turn around. So basically just so the goodies inside. Like I said, guys, the phone can do a very good job. Whether you have an iPhone or a Galaxy, they got pretty good ready cameras. I mean, in this, you don't really need to go fancy. You don't need to spend money. But the reason why we did it was because, like I said, it's recording with our phone. There was a lot of time that I was afraid I would lose my phone. We're using the selfie stick or just going on the water. So this is the manual, which I love to read. So I'm gonna keep opening the camera. You have a charger, I believe, right here. By the way, guys, if I look a little tired, I apologize. We haven't been able to sleep. If you know, we have the RV already. I don't know if we're so excited. I'm just very excited about it. I haven't been able to sleep, and it's just, we're so tired, but it was worth it, guys. So this is what I think this bundle really set different from any other bundles I saw out there. This one have this camera, but it's also have
battery,
a charger, and it have 2 extra batteries, which I'm gonna get.
right there. That blue box.
The blue box.
This one. And this one.
Look at this right here. So it comes with a battery that comes with the camera already. Pretty small too. And you got 2 extra battery to spare. Also, another reason why we wanted to do this camera, buy it, was because we feel like we gotta bring you guys a better quality videos. Even though, like I said, the phone do a pretty good job. But this camera is just gonna take us to places. It's gonna take you to bring you guys with us to the action, to be firsthand. And you know, it's just like an action camera. It's pretty awesome. There's a lot of different brands out there, rather than the GoPro 8 Black. There's a lot of brands out there. It's a little cheaper, but you know, we want to go with the GoPro. I gotta say, I have a brother of mine. His name is Ericka. I want to say hi to him. He gave me a bunch of accessories, so that's the reason also why I went with the GoPro, because I already got a lot of accessories for it. But I just think because of the camera, the tripod, like I said, I don't really mind so much. But this, I could have used that so much when I went to the to Key West with the family. You got selfie stick, pretty fancy. I think Ericka might use it because, you know, she teaches, so she can do this for the students. But so guys, there you have it. This is the GoPro 8 Black. Link in the description, guys. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, notification bell if it's your first time, and just subscribe, guys. We're gonna bring you beautiful videos your way. It's like I said, we're a family of 4 if you just tune in, and we love to travel. We just got our very first RV, and we cannot wait to go out there in RVing and just have the good adventure. And I'm gonna leave all the description for this. It's a lot of stuff. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look at this. It's for the price, guys. You'll be very surprised. And remember, live the journey. Have a good one.